This video chart presentation is Zaza Energy Corp. It's a NASDAQ listed stock trading our ticker ZAZA. You can see right off why this caught our attention for Wednesday. Spike in volume on Tuesday. Stock made a real big move, up almost 45%. And that was closing at $298, not even near the high of the day of $350. The stock was in just a huge downtrend. In June, the stock actually printed over $10 a share. So you can see the type of drop-off that it's had in the last few months. I didn't even take a look fundamentally to see what's driving this. This is just a technical look at a chart that's coming out of oversold territory and certainly merits attention on Wednesday to see if this big move is going to continue. Now, because the stock was so beaten down, there's not going to be a whole lot to look at with these indicators. Although we are seeing a bullish cross happening of the MACD passing through the signal line. That's evident of a short-term shift in trend. Ideally, we want to see both portions of the indicator over top of zero to show that the trend has gone back bullish. But for right now, just something to pay attention to, as it does lend to the idea of this move trying to continue. Not much to look at with the slow stow. Still down very low, making a move upward, saying that momentum is trying to grow. And because, just by definition, it does move so slow, that just not going to get a lot from this indicator on this type of a bounce. Money flow index, gauging momentum as well. Obviously moving much more quickly back over top of 50, showing the bulls are taking control of momentum. Same way with the relative strength index, climbing upward, breaking through 30, coming out of an oversold condition, and just telling us that the momentum is growing. Of course, that should be expected. 45% move in one day, a little bit of a green day right before that. This could actually be considered a bullish engulfing. Of course, it wasn't confirmed with the red day after that. This is a bullish harami, both reversal patterns. This time the harami was confirmed with the up day on Tuesday. But taking a look at it right through here, you can see some indecision with the inverted hammer, then the spinning top, showing some indecisiveness in the chart, and perhaps signal it was trying to find a bottom. On any pullback from this point, there's a low support down here, right around $2.10. But obviously that's a pretty big drop from near $3. What I'd look for on a pullback that's a little bit closer level of support is right here around $2.50, perhaps even a little higher. Right there around $2.60. There is another support as well, right up around $2.90. So those are the two key points I'd look for on the support side. I'd start to become a little bit nervous if this thing fell all the way back down near $2, that whatever it was that was driving this is going away and the bottom might cave back in again. So pay attention to those two spots to the downside. To the upside, I'd look for this resistance right where the stock stalled out on Tuesday at $3.50 to be a resistance point. Actually looks like there's a little bit of a gap still left to be filled right here, up around $3.75. And I think in that same vein, you can see some resistance right around $4. That being said, that's still a 33% jump from Tuesday's close. And if the stock could actually blow through that, have to scale back further to try and find the next resistance point. And though you can't see it on this chart, I can tell you it's not till around $5. So all things being equal with this chart, purely a momentum play coming off the bottom, has some real nice potential to continue the move, and one we'll be keeping an eye on to see how it performs. But as always, merely my interpretation of the ZAZA chart. I'm not a financial consultant, strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the openingstocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or its video chart. No person employed by Opening Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.